Hi, today we're gonna do the 5x5 Rubik's Cube, and it's really easy. First, let's go over the colors. There's white, yellow, green, red, blue, and orange. Now you know the colors. Let's talk direction. If you turn it this way, like this direction, that would be front. And this way would be front prime. Now if you turn this one to like this way, it would be called left. This one would be left prime. Right prime. Back prime. B2 prime. U prime. D prime. Okay, now you know your directions. Oh, there's one more thing. F2 and F prime. U2 prime, and D2 prime. Okay, now you know all your directions. Let's get scrambling. Like that. Okay, so we're going to work on the white cross. On the white cross. Okay, so since we have our white on this side, we want to move it 2 times. Both of them 2 times. Like these two, twice. So move them up 2 times till you get to the white area. Like that. There you go. Now, you also got a pattern right here. See the yellow? You got that done. Good job. But you want to break it to do this. Bam. Now, if you want those two back together, you want to do this. Save those 3. You turn it like this, and then you got it saved, and you just did the white center. Okay, so that was easy. Next is the yellow center. Okay, this one should be easy. So since we got an I and the last 2 yellow pairs on this side, we gotta switch it up like this. So all we gotta do is this way, we turn 2 of them like that. Now to save the white pairs, you want to turn it up like that. Again, we got an orange pair, so we want to save it. Turn it up. Same as these two right here. Turn them. And now we can turn this one up like that. And then bring these two up to the yellow side and the white back up to the white side. And there you go. You got your yellow and your white side, your white and yellow side done. And I see a lucky pattern. Hey, you got two blues and one orange. So this one should be really easy. Okay, we got orange corners and two blue centers that we can pair up. First off, let's pair up the blue centers. Just like that. There we go. Good job. Now let's pair up the orange ones. Two. There we go. We got the orange pair, the line paired, and we got two blue paired up like that. Now we want to turn it up just like this way, and we want to turn it a quarter way. Oh, but wait. I see a pattern there. You see a pattern? Yeah, two greens, one red. So we want to turn it up like that. Okay. So you want to twist this twice because the green pattern right here. You want to twist it back like this. Or like that to give it its pattern. Now, this step is really easy. All you gotta do is bring these like down and bring another one down, and you got your green, red, blue, orange, white, and yellow centers done. That is how you do the centers. Okay, the next trick. Getting the white cross done. This should be a piece of cake. We're ready. So, you know that we got one orange and one white centerpiece right here. Two orange and two whites right here. So, what did you want to do? Let's bring this one up like that. Now, you want to turn this piece over like this. Bring it up. To the white side. Turn it. Go like that. See? Bring this down. Side down. Then put it together like that. Okay. The next step is going to be really easy. So, we want to work on the white and green side, which is going to be easy. We want to turn this guy down. There's the green. Okay, so I found two green and whites right here. And we want to bring the one center like that. Bring one up. Pull it, turn it to the side. Bring it back down. Bring the green and the orange to its original colors. There you go. So far you got that. And perfectly still good centers. Okay. So we got two more to go. I see one center that could be possible. Red and white. So we want to bring the white down like that. Turn it like that. Okay. You good? Great. We want to turn it up like that. Move it to the red. And do the rest. Repeat the step one more time. And then there you go. There you go. You just solved the white cross. Alright, that was part 1. I'll see you guys next time in part 2. Bye.